Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are reviewing a snow sports helmet. So let's go ahead, unbox it, show you what it looks like, and see if you order the size that you normally would get. So for us, we normally get size large, so that's what we got. Comes in this nice carrying bag. Okay, so let's check it out. So this is for snowing, snowboarding, skiing, you know, even four-wheeling, ATV, dirt bike and whatnot, riding bike, anything that you want to use it for. But it is designed and it is padded for colder temperatures, so keep that in mind. But as you guys can see, it's nice and stylish. It protects your ears and the back of your head, as well as the front of your head. It is padded right for your ears to keep you warm. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it is, okay, I see. So the strap can be loosened and adjusted. So let's go ahead and see here. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to want to put this. So then you would adjust the strap and the strap would go under your neck. Depends on how you would use it. So strap comes off just like this. So you place the helmet on your head, take the strap here, clip it in place, and to adjust the tightness, you would go ahead and, you know, pull on both sides. But it actually, from right. So due to an error, that footage, I spent another 5 minutes discussing the helmet. The footage was lost. So I wanted to go over some of the other features quickly for you guys. So if you turn this on the back here, this pulls in so you can make it tighter against your head for better support. And then you just turn it the other way to loosen it up. So the straps easily pull for tightness. On the side, it's extra padded for protection. You have tons of padding inside for protection. So this is a goggle strap, or you can use it for a camera strap, but your goggle strap will go around here. You would pop this off. So you put your strap there, go ahead, clamp it back on, and you're good to go. So you can see the vents easier. It is a fully vented helmet. So you could have the vent open or closed. Overall, it's a very solid helmet.